Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 17th, 2026. It's a beautiful morning out here. Gonna get up into the 70s today. T-shirt weather. So that's awesome. Today, I don't know what I'll end up shooting video on. I have cleanup stuff that I've got to do. I mean, just sweeping up piles of dirt from in the shop and all. So I got piles in each bay section. So that's what I'm working on now. I wanted to get some weed whacking done as well, and maybe get the mower out, but it rained again yesterday afternoon and last night, so everything's still pretty wet. But I may try and mow some of the higher, drier spots, see if I can get that something accomplished anyways. But I can do some weed whacking, that's important, and do some cleanup. So we'll see how things work out today. It's just crunch time here. But I gotta say, the ponds, you can hear all the frogs now, which is awesome. The birds are back. The goslings are all doing well thus far. So that's pretty good. Anyways, gonna get to it.
Woke up early, sun on my face, dust on my boots, dreams I still chase. A mirror shows lines I didn't used to see, but this fire in my chest still burning free. Every scar tells a story, every fall taught me grace. Through the years, through the storms, I found my place. I'm becoming the man I wanna be, not perfect but trying faithfully, holding on to what's right, letting go of the past, learning to love, learning to last, one step, one breath, one prayer at a time. I'm building a life, a legacy, becoming the man I wanna be. I've said things I wish I could take back, and I've walked roads that led me off track. But I've come to know that strength is kind, and real courage is a patient mind. I've been the storm, I've been the calm, I've been the silence before the dawn. I'm becoming the man I wanna be, forging my soul in honesty, with calloused hands and a humbled heart. I'm learning where healing starts, one truth, one choice, one moment at a time. I'm walking that line faithfully, becoming the man I wanna be. For my family, for my name, for the quiet hope that still remains, I'll keep rising come what may, stronger with each break of day. Yes, I'm becoming the man I wanna be, with love as my legacy. I won't always win, but I won't give in. I know where I've been, I know who I am within. Step by step, grace carries me, becoming the man I wanna be.
Well, I was able to get some things accomplished today. I got the floor cleaned up, all the dirt and the branches or prunings that were here. Same thing over here. Loaded everything in a wheelbarrow and took it over to an area that we could place the stuff. The next couple of days are supposed to get really hot, and I just put these black currants in yesterday, So they're going to be a little bit shocked. We got rain last night, so we'll see how they turn out ultimately. All the rest of the bare root plants are doing well so far. Pretty happy with that. And I just got done over here weed whacking, pulling some of the drip tape back and all around the blueberry bushes here. There's a lot. I really haven't got it started mowing or weed whacking yet. There's a lot to do. So I didn't do any of this area here last year, so the weeds really took over. But I at least got this weed whacked now. Knocked down the raspberry plant beds. These are permanent raised beds here, so they look a bit better. So the next couple of days will help to kill some of that. I did hit the drip tape a couple of times, so I'll have to replace those sections that I hit. We'll discover which ones they are later. But I got these areas done as well. I cleaned up all the material on top of the weed mat over there under the IBC totes, and cleaned up along the handicap beds over there. The ground is just so wet, it's squishing under my feet right now. But at least it's looking better, bit by bit. Strawberries are all in flower right now, so that's good. And yeah, and I got to get out here and do some pruning here. All the oregano here is saying, hey, I need a good haircut. Anyways, I guess that's about it for today's video. We will see how everything works out here. Got so many irons in the fire. It's a bit of a challenge to stay up on top of everything. Had phone calls today with folks in Tennessee, folks at Starlink. I ordered a Starlink Mini so that when I'm down on the property, we'll have connectivity there since we don't have cell service there. So I think things are okay now. I'm tuckered out, got to go get cleaned up. And I hope you folks stay safe, take care, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.